Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of creating your own virtual influencer from scratch using Dzine.ai. This is not just about generating an AI face. We're building a structured digital identity that can represent a brand, grow a social media presence, or even operate as a monetized content creator. We'll go step by step. First, we'll generate a realistic AI human portrait. Then we'll refine facial features for authenticity. After that, we'll define age, ethnicity, and fashion positioning. We'll build personality traits and bioidentity. And finally, we'll export a high-resolution avatar ready for Instagram or TikTok. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully developed digital influencer that looks intentional, consistent, and platform-ready. Let's begin. Step 1. Access the AI Influencer tool. Log in to Dzine.ai and navigate to the AI Influencer section. Before clicking Generate, understand the framework. This tool is a character creation system. Every setting you adjust will influence how this avatar performs in future animations, voice sync, or content automation. Click Create New Influencer to start from scratch. Avoid presets for now. Presets limit uniqueness. Starting fresh gives you complete control over branding direction. Step 2. Generate the base AI portrait. Select Generate AI Human Portrait. This is your foundation. Choose realistic lighting. Avoid extreme shadows or dramatic angles. Keep the facial expression neutral. Neutral expressions are important because this avatar will later animate. A neutral base allows better flexibility for talking, smiling, and emotional variation. Do not rush this step. Compare. Skin texture realism. Eye symmetry. Natural jaw structure. Ear alignment. No distortions around hairline. Choose the most believable result, not the most perfect one. Realism beats perfection. Confirm the portrait once satisfied. Step 3. Refine facial features. Now refine the details. Adjust facial proportions carefully. You can modify face shape, jawline sharpness, nose bridge, lip volume, eye size, and spacing. Small changes dramatically affect personality perception. For example, sharper jawlines signal authority. Softer features feel approachable. Higher cheekbones create a fashion-forward look. Do not over-edit. Over-editing causes unnatural symmetry, which reduces believability. Zoom in while adjusting and constantly compare before and after changes. Your goal is subtle enhancement, not transformation. Step 4. Define age, ethnicity, and style direction. Now move to identity configuration. Select the age range that fits your target platform. If you're building for TikTok trends, a younger age range aligns better. For luxury or professional branding, slightly mature styling works better. Next, select ethnicity thoughtfully. Representation should align with your content niche and audience positioning. Then define fashion style. Options may include casual, streetwear, luxury, minimal, sporty, corporate. Fashion consistency increases brand memorability. Also adjust makeup intensity and styling details. Make sure the aesthetic direction matches long-term content strategy. Step 5. Add personality traits. Now we define character psychology. Select personality traits such as confident, motivational, friendly, bold, calm, trend-focused. These traits influence future AI-generated dialogue tone and content suggestions. Avoid random combinations. If this influencer is a fitness mentor, traits like disciplined and driven make sense. If it's a fashion creator, bold and expressive work better. Consistency builds authority. Step 6. Write a strategic bio. Now create a short bio. Keep it clear and platform-ready. Focus on niche, value, audience. Example structure. I share daily AI-powered fashion inspiration for bold creators. Keep it concise. Avoid generic statements like living my best life. Specific positioning converts better. Step 7. Final review and export. Before exporting, conduct a final audit. Ask, does the face look realistic? Is the style consistent with personality? Would this account feel believable on Instagram? Make micro adjustments if needed. Now export in high resolution. Choose square format for profile photos. Choose vertical format for reels or short-form content. Download the avatar. You now have a fully structured virtual influencer ready for content creation.
We're building a structured digital identity that can represent a brand, grow a social media presence, or even operate as a monetized content creator.
That's the complete process. From face generation to personality positioning, you've built a scalable digital identity using Dzine.ai. Comment below and tell me which style you liked most. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more creative AI tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.